We're going old school today. Back in the day, like when I used to cover SoFi Stadium, this rain will just not let up. Got the ITF East as you drive through Aviation, and then on the right here the Metro LAX connector, and that's looking like a 2024 completion date, although that's probably not going to really be realistic as far as coordination with People Mover, aka Skylink. How do you guys like the Skylink? Because I think that's on some signage, so it's permanent. That's what we'll be calling it when we're finally able to ride it in later in 2025. Wow. Alright, I'll see if I can do a little drive-by here and see what's going on here. Otherwise, I would be walking through here. But it just does not want to stop raining today. I don't know why. These weather people gave me kind of different outlooks of what the weather should be. So no glass as of yet, but we're spotting escalators and all kinds of other cool things to get people moving around, and these areas here where buses will presumably be picking up people or taking them somewhere else if you're going to transition away from here. Pretty awesome. Seeing some water draining off of the structures too. It's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is a cool structure here. The glass elevator. Some sheathing. It looks like there's some kind of an entryway here, some kind of signage. Cool. Century Aviation Station, still sitting here waiting to be used. Oh well. Just another structure over here at the Century Station. Thanks for giving me my shot.